How to do a flicker edit on the CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your CapCut and here you have to select the video or the image, and now you have to go on the overlay, and in the overlay you have to add a plain white page or the background, or you can also add the video. Once you add it, you have to adjust it on the whole part. After this, you have to split into the some part, and here you have to go on the splice or the blend and add the overlay. Once you add the overlay effect, you have to go back and here you have to split that video part, not the overlay, and in the video part you have to add the flashes effect. Once you add the flashes effect, as you can see here, it is done. Now you have to split the video into some parts from where you have to add the flashes, like just like this, and after this you have to go on the overlay and here you have to add this white page or the background in your whole video, and in this you have to also split this and also add the overlay effect. So yeah, this is how you can do a flicker effect on the CapCut mobile.